customize.
Good.
Hey, you should customize.
Okay. I'm so stylish.
Can't wait to see yours.
Oh.
How would this look?
Okay, I'm done. Yeah, I see what you mean. How did you unlock more helmets?
You just get him.
Oh, what I need to witness with my eyes. Jeez.
Oh, interesting. Very interesting. Oh,
Take your time, you know, I don't want to ruin this moment for you.
No.
No, you should enjoy. You should enjoy No Man's Skies, helmets, and stuff like that.
Oh.
I'm so understanding right now.
Oh my god. Yeah.
I feel like I'm witnessing something I shouldn't be part of. I feel like this is so. I feel like this is so intimate.
Not at all. No.
I feel like I shouldn't be there. No.
No.
Are you sure it's okay if I'm?
Oh yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you know, you can stay.
Okay. It's so fascinating. Don't worry, guys. You can come back in a couple of hours. We're gonna be
No. We're done. We're done.
No.
No. We're done. Wow, you look gorgeous.
Thanks. How about you?